Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. A big event that happened today, and anybody that uses charts and understands charts would, agree with the same thing, is that the price broke down below this pink line here, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, and that's a very famous level in the world of technical charts, and it's one of those areas where when the price is up above it, then you want to see the price stay above it, because you want to see it act as support. And going into today, as I talked about in Friday's video, it had been doing a good job of holding that support, but now that the price has broken down below it, then that just plays into a just very basic rule in the world of charts, and that is when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of bounce back to the upside, 0.022 is going to be the key level of resistance going forward in the near term. And if the price can push up through there, you can turn your attention more so towards the 50 period moving average. However, one hurdle at a time, and the first, like I said, hurdle in the near term right there at 0.022. So that's definitely going to, like I said, not some sort of great discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, has taken notice of that event, and that'll definitely be the key thing to watch going forward from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support, the bleeding finally stopped today down there at 0.018. You can see several instances the bears try to press down below that area, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a very good job of maintaining above that area, despite, like I said, the fact that the price tried to push down through there, but the bulls dug in and would not let the price fall any further. If 0.018 does not hold up, then the next key overarching level of support at that point would be down there at those lows, which sit at 0.015. So 0.015, next key level. Like I said, if 0.018 does not hold up, but so far, so good. 0.018 is holding up. But yeah, as of right now, this has definitely become a much deeper pullback. And it's one of those situations where, there's nothing wrong with pullbacks, but pullbacks do eventually reach a point where it's like, okay, price, you've pulled back enough. It's time to start to consolidate out and chip away and build a higher base. And that's where the chart is now. It's pulled back plenty. Now it's time for the bulls to start to take back over and chip out a higher base. So we'll see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.